Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Delta Rules. In today's video, we got more unusual options activity. Now, once again, guys, the information presented by Delta Rules is for educational purposes only. Trading stocks and options involve risks that are not suitable for all investors. Please make sure to always do your own due diligence. Now, guys, if you ended up on this video and you don't know anything about options and somehow you ended up on this video, I do have 3 courses down below that will teach you about options from top to bottom. And I also have a video showing you how to set up a scanner on Thinkorswim for unusual options activity. So that's that. Now, the first stock that we're going to be looking at is going to actually be WWE. And that is the World Wrestling Entertainment. We all know about WWE. Hopefully, we all know about WWE. It's been around for a long time. World Wrestling Entertainment, that needs no explanation. So, coming over here, first of all, looking at the chart, let me actually get away from the option time and sales, all of that. Looking at the charts, we can see this is the max time that I was able to pull up for this chart, and we can see that it's had its ups and downs, and now it looks like it's trying to break out of that $58 level. Now, coming over here to the 6-month, I can see that today there was a very, very bearish candle under. It looks like it either started all the way up. It looks like it opened all the way up at $68, and it actually sold all the way down. I'm not exactly sure. I'm going to be completely honest with you. Let me actually take a look at the daily here. Hold on. So yeah, here we go. So it actually, no, it looks like there was a little bit of a short squeeze right there. So it came all the way up to 61 and came all the way down. So it tried to break it. It actually broke, but it actually ended up selling off throughout the day. However, looking at the actual option time and sales, I can see that there was the multiplier for the calls today is quite high. This stock doesn't usually trade too many options. So coming down here to the time and sales, is a little hard to tell, what is really happening here, because we don't see a lot of green, and it's not always going to be like that, guys. We're not always going to see a lot of green on here. We just got to look at it and see where they were purchased. So we see that there was a big order here for 1,400. I'm so sorry. 1,400 of the 21 calls for the 16. I'm sorry. No, 1,400 for the 60 calls for the 16th of April 2021. That is pretty much right here, pretty much the next expiration date that is available. And it looks like they got it right near the bid price, and that is the reason why I know that they're buying this options. Now, this right here, this is a little bit over $150,000 order. So this is something I'm definitely looking at right here. Now, coming down here, I do see quite a little bit more green for the 60 calls. It looks like someone came in here and bought some of those. And these are all pretty big orders. So this looks good for WWE. I really like it. Looking at the actual chain, we can see that there was quite a bit of volume there compared to the open interest. Not sure if that reflect just a little bit. It reflected over just a little bit to the different days, but the one that's getting the steam is the 16th of April calls. So this is what I'm going to be looking at. I really like it. I mean, I really like the IV where it's at. That was really close to my threshold there as far as like the IV percentile that I like looking for. So this actually showed up on the scanner there. So this one's nice. This is one I am going to be looking at in the near future, simply because it tried to break. I would say if it breaks again, it's probably going to go past that. So once again, looking at the 6-month, if it breaks that $58 level again, it's definitely a possibility that WWE will go past that price. So this is looking good. The second one that we're going to be looking at today is going to be LITE. And this company is actually in the business of optical and photon, or of actually provisioning optical and photonic products. Photonic pretty much means like the study of light. That's pretty much what they do. So taking a look over to the actual option time and sales. Once again, it's not going to be very easy to spot, because once again, there's not going to be a lot of green on here. However, if you look at the calls, once again, this one was May 2021, 21st of May 2021, 80 call. They got 1,500 of them. This is like a $500,000 play. and they got it real close to the ask price. So as you guys can see, they got it for 530. The bid is at 5. The ask is at 540. So I'm assuming they bought this because it's really close to that ask price. I don't think they got out of this position at that price. So this is also looking good. Looking down here, I also see quite a bit more buying of this call options. So this is something I'm definitely going to be looking at. Now, looking at the chart, if you guys come down here to the chart, let me actually show you a little bit more. What am I showing you? The 6 months. Let's show you the year. As you guys can see, for the past two to 3 months, this has been selling off. So I really like that there is someone coming in here and actually buying this cause, pretty much buying the dip at this point. I don't want to be the one to catch the falling knife. I rather the chain do it for me, and then I figure out exactly when to get into these options. So this is one I'm really looking at. This is one I'm really liking for the upside in the situation as soon as it turns around. I am not going to go in here if I do not see that this stock doesn't turn around and, breaks past that little $91, $92 support that it had in the past. I'm just not going to do it. And, and that's just the way I do things. So, this one's looking good, but this one's looking good to watch and see if it actually reverses at any point in time, and see if this actual calls get more aggressive. People get more aggressive into buying calls. So this is pretty much it. This is pretty much what I have for you guys. I really appreciate everyone that has been subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there. Love you guys.